exposing the secret weapons in your kitchen to burn fat fast. Let's dive in. First up, green tea. Packed with antioxidants, it boosts metabolism and helps burn fat. Sip away. Next, avocados. These creamy delights are full of healthy fats and fiber, keeping you satisfied longer and cutting down those extra calories. Lean protein is a must. Think chicken, fish, and tofu. They rev up your metabolism and keep you full, reducing fat storage. Berries like blueberries and strawberries. They're low in calories, high in fiber, and keep those sugar cravings in check. Don't forget grapefruit. Its enzymes help break down fat and regulate insulin, making it a fat-burning superstar. Greek yogurt is next. High in protein and probiotics, it supports a healthy gut, essential for effective fat burning. Add some chili peppers to your meals. Capsaicin boosts your metabolism and helps you burn more calories. Nuts like almonds and walnuts are great too. Rich in healthy fats, protein, and fiber, they keep you full and prevent overeating. Whole grains like oats and quinoa are your friends. They provide sustained energy and help prevent fat storage. Lastly, leafy greens. Spinach, kale, and Swiss chard are nutrient-packed and boost metabolism. Incorporate these foods into your diet, pair them with regular exercise, and watch those pounds melt away. You've got this.